According to Deloitte, 81% of manufacturing companies can't find enough people to do the work required to meet current customer demand. If you can't meet current demand, how are you going to squeeze in orders from new customers? If you aren't delivering parts, your customers are searching for a new machine shop. Like unhappy employees, customers won't tell you that they're looking for someone new until they're gone. Even then, they may not say anything. You just don't see any more orders from them. If you're having trouble meeting current customer demand, consider using a robot to tend your CNC machine and redeploy that machine operator into another role. Not only will the robot help you meet existing customer demand, but you'll be able to quickly respond to new customer requests. To discover more about how our machine tending robots can help your machine shop thrive even in turbulent times, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.